जी आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे क्रक्स ऑफ स्पेशल एजुकेशन जो कि मल्टीपल पोस्ट्स के लिए काफ़ी अच्छे एमसीक्यूज़ हैं। पीपीएससी को या एफपीएससी को मद्देनज़र रखते हुए तो इसमें कुछ कंटेंट लिस्ट है। सबसे पहले ये हियरिंग इम्पेयरमेंट, विजुअल इम्पेयरमेंट, इंटेलेक्चुअल डिसेबिलिटी, फिज़िकल डिसेबिलिटी या ऑर्थोपेडिक इम्पेयरमेंट भी इसको कहते हैं। और इन कंटेंट के अलावा जो हमारा कंसर्न है वो कोर ऑफ स्पेशल एजुकेशन है। हम लोग हेयरिंग इम्पेयरमेंट को ही स्पेशलाइज्ड कर चुके हैं, तो उसी को कवर करेंगे प्लस कोर ऑफ स्पेशल एजुकेशन के सभी एमसीक्यूज़। तो हेयरिंग इम्पेयरमेंट में भी आगे से कुछ 13 आगे से पॉइंट्स हैं हमारे पास, जिसमें सबसे पहला है नट शेल ऑफ हेयरिंग इम्पेयरमेंट। नट शेल में यानी जो मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टर्म्स हैं, एब्रीवेशंस हैं, एमसीक्यूज़ हैं, डेफिनेशंस हैं, देन टर्मिनोलॉजी है, हेयरिंग लॉस और उसकी टाइप्स और उसके अफेक्ट्स की बात है, एनाटमी ऑफ ईयर होगी, इटियोलॉजी होगी कि हेयरिंग लॉस कैसे कॉज होता है, उसको असेस कैसे किया जाता है, असेसमेंट और ट्रीटमेंट होगा। हेयरिंग एड्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एक टॉपिक है, वो होगा। एंड देन एयर मोल्ड्स कैसे बनाए जाते हैं, उसके लिए वो सारा प्रोसीजर, साउंड एंड इट्स प्रॉपर्टीज़, और ऑडियोमेट्री या ऑडिटरी मास्किंग, स्पीच एंड लैंग्वेज डिसऑर्डर। स्पीच एक डिफरेंट चीज़ है, लैंग्वेज अलग। और लास्ट पे जी कुछ मल्टीपल कॉन्सेप्ट्स या एमसीक्यूज़ होंगे तो उनको डिस्कस किया जाएगा। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं जी अपनी नटशेल से। साइलेंट और हिडन डिसेबिलिटी इज कॉल्ड हेयरिंग लॉस। Defect or damage to hearing mechanism causes hearing loss. The middle ear is a cavity filled with air. Equalized pressure on both sides of the eardrum is called Eustachian tube function. Transfers sound from eardrum to cochlea. It is the function of middle ear. Inner ear cochlea is filled with fluid or liquid. Another name of vestibular labyrinth is semicircle canals. Vestibular labyrinth fluid filled with semicircular circle canals. 3. Auditory nerve is also called eighth cranial nerve. Outer, middle, inner ear and eighth cranial nerve sound pathway है सारे का सारा. How do we hear normally? Through air conduction. Sound travel outer ear to middle ear and then in inner ear it is air conduction. Sound bypass outer middle ear and stimulate cochlea. This is bone conduction. Hearing loss caused by medication is called ototoxicity. Frequency in cochlea arranged in base to approximate apex top, that is higher to lower. Top पे higher to lower. Our sensory neural hearing loss affects first higher frequencies. Frequencies at the base या entrance point of cochlea is higher, or at the top of cochlea it is lower. Tiny hairline cells in cochlea are called cilia. Device that increase the intensity of sound is called amplifier. Level of hearing loss and level of hearing threshold is sensation level. Quietest sound a person can hear is 20 Pascal. Waveform of pure tone at one level of frequency is sinusoid. Pure tones stimulate cochlea, basilar membrane, discrete area. Equal energy loudness at all frequencies denotes all frequencies के लिए white noise. White noise usually contain the frequencies from 20 to 20,000 Hz. Within the range of human hearing frequencies, this is white noise. Noise centered around a particular frequency around, that is narrowband noise. A noise with more energy at low frequencies, speech shaped noise. Bone oscillators convert the electrical energy into mechanical energy. PTA stands for pure tone. Average PTA usually contains three thresholds of 500,000 and 20 डबल होती जाती है. Pure tone average is mostly at hearing loss. Pure tone 70 decibel पे. Sound is lateralized in the worse ear in hearing loss is conductive or in better ear it is sensory neural. Audiometer is electronic extension of same concept used in turning fork test. Instrument helps to find out extent and type of hearing loss. That instrument is called audiometer. Monitoring standard working of audiometer, audiometric calibration. Test compulsory before audiometric testing, it is otoscopy. Range of frequencies most sensitive to ear are 1000 to 4000 hertz. Man starts feel pain at minimum sound intensity, that is called threshold of pain. Quietest sound one can hear is hearing threshold. Difference between hearing threshold and threshold of pain, that is dynamic range. Level of threshold of pain, which is usually considered 120 decibel, and level of range, dynamic range, it is 120 decibel, because dynamic range is hearing threshold and threshold of pain. 100 Hz frequency, easily heard by most, has test retest reliability. Weakest audible sound detected is 50% of the sound. In threshold search method, we look for three responses ascending. Severity of hearing loss is discovered when masking is done. Pure tone average PTA is done for air conduction. Fluid in the middle ear causes a hearing loss via air conduction. Otosclerosis causes a hearing loss via air conduction. Collapsed ear canal causes a hearing loss एयर कंडक्शन. सो एयर कंडक्शन की वजह से ये सब कुछ होता है. क्या क्या जी, पीटीए यानी प्योर टोन एवरेज भी, फ्लूइड भी या कॉजेज ऑफ हेयरिंग लॉस भी इससे डिस्कस होते हैं. ऑटोस्क्लेरोसिस भी इससे ही होता है. कोलैप्स्ड एयर कनाल भी इसी के थ्रू पता चलता है. टाइप ऑफ नॉइज यूज्ड फॉर टेस्टिंग स्पीच इज स्पीच शेप्ड नॉइज. In bone conduction, sound is directly transmitted to cochlea. Bone conduction is done to check sensitivity, sensory neural. Bone oscillators are placed on forehead and mastoid bone. Forehead oscillators are placed on forehead, obviously. In bone conduction testing, cochlea of both sides is vibrated. Air-bone gap, ये abbreviation भी आ सकती है. Air-bone gap shows the amount of involvement conductive. Sound loses some of its momentum and energy when travel to other ear. Sound loses some of its momentum and energy. Loses its momentum and energy when travel to other ear. Traveling of sound from one ear to another is called cross-hearing. Cross-hearing and interaural attenuation go side by side. In interaural attenuation, sound travel to other ear decreases. Possibility of, ये वाली बात लूज हो जाता है सारा मोमेंटम और एनर्जी. Possibility of cross-hearing in bone conduction, always. Bone conduction में possibility of cross-hearing is always there. Cross-hearing क्या है? Sound traveling from one ear to another. Masking helps to decrease cross-hearing. Cross-hearing is not a matter in normal hearing and sensory neural HL, hearing loss. Presenting noise to non-test ear. Presenting noise to non-test ear to reduce cross-hearing is masking. Masking is done to raise the threshold of ear, non-test ear. Masking is usually used in audiology, contralateral. Fine degree and type of hearing loss is difficult due to cross-hearing. Type of hearing loss or degree that is difficult because of cross-hearing. Nasal sounds are produced by moving air through nose. Nasal से nose. Transducers suitable for collapsed ear canal are inserted in speech audiometry. Speech is not frequency specific. In speech audiometry, speech is not frequency specific. Words used in speech recognition threshold is called SPONDI. Words used in speech recognition threshold. Most common test of speech recognition is word recognition. Tone be given to test ear and noise to non-test ear. Tone, test ear, noise, non-test ear. So ये T से टेस्ट वाला याद रख सकते हैं और नॉइज़ किस कान को दिया जाता है जो नॉन टेस्ट हो ये सो टोन बी गिवन टू टेस्ट ईयर एंड नॉइज टू नॉन टेस्ट ईयर ये कब होता है इन क्रॉस हेयरिंग electronic device used to transmit sound to ear in bone conduction is bone oscillators. Device moves skull back and forth to transmit sound bone oscillator. Hearing that remains after a one experience hearing loss residual hearing. Hearing that remains after a one experience hearing loss residual hearing. Specially responsible for hearing assessment audiologist. Speech therapy services are provided by speech and language therapist. Loudness discomfortable level is 120 to 130. Intensity level of normal discussion is 45 decibel. Frequency level of normal intensity 45 decibels or frequency is 500 to 3000 hertz. Degree of normal hearing level is 0 to 25 decibel. So, degree of normal hearing level is 0 to 25. ठीक है. डिग्री ऑफ माइल्ड ये नॉर्मल था. माइल्ड में है 26 से 40. मॉडरेट में है 41 टू 55 और मॉडरेटली सिवियर में है 56 टू 70. Severe hearing loss is 71 to 90. Profound hearing loss is 90 plus decibel. Can a sound at 0 decibel heard? Yes. Single frequency sound is called pure tone. Dactyl speech is called finger spelling. Mouth movements combined with cues to make sounds is called cued speech. Hand shapes used in cued speech for consonant phonemes 8 hand shapes. Locations near mouth in cued speech for vowel phonemes is 4. Hearing loss caused by use of medication is ototoxicity. Drugs that affect hearing and balance system of humans is ototoxic drugs. Otalgia refers to ear pain. Ear examination to check earwax and eardrum hole is called otoscopy. Device used for ear examination in otoscopy is called otoscope. So otoscope, otoscopy, ऑटोटॉक्सिटी, ऑटोटॉक्सिक ड्रग्स, ये सभी इंटररिलेटेड हैं. Acoustic refers to science of sound. Acoustics. Minimum sound intensity at which one start feeling pain is called threshold of pain. Calculated sound without feedback is called acoustic gain. Without feedback, acoustic gain. और acoustics क्या है? Study या science of sound. Speaker sound which re-enter again and again into microscope is called acoustic feedback. Decrease of sound when it travels from one ear to other is called interaural attenuation. Method to teach deaf using all means of communication is called total communication. Method to teach deaf using all means of communication is called total communication. Okay, combination of sign language and spoken languages is called simultaneous communication. So ये हो गए हमारे